Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to show you how to change the keyboard language on Android phone. First, open the keyboard on your Android phone. As you can see, I am using the Google Gboard keyboard. Now let's see how to change the keyboard language. Currently, my default keyboard language is English US, which is the language I normally use. To change the language, look for the small gear icon, which is the settings icon on your keyboard. If you don't see the settings icon, tap on the icon in the four small squares, then from their available option go to the keyboard settings. Once you are in here, the process is very simple. Tap on the language option at the top. As you can see, my default language is English US. Now I can tap on add keyboard. Let's say I want to add a Spanish keyboard. In that case, select Spanish. Then you can select multilingual typing and English US if you want and tap done. Now let's see how this works. When you are using the keyboard, simply press and hold the space bar to switch between the two languages. This will allow you to switch to a different keyboard language. To switch between the two languages again, simply press and hold the space bar and select the keyboard language you want to use. Alternatively, you can remove the old language and keep only the new language you need. This way, we won't have to switch between language every time. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to our channel Fix Your Apps